Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. Hi, how you doing? So today we're going to make this really lovely tender lamb or mutton curry, Indian style. We've got some fantastic flavors on the go in there. Really quite simple, takes a little while, but perfect. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got about 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using olive oil. Heat's on quite high, and we've got some lovely meat here. There's like a kilo or kilo and a half actually, I think, of this, quite a lot. Some lovely lamb. There's no bone in there. Little bit of fat, which is fantastic. Above medium heat, about 5 or 6 minutes. Keep this moving, let's get this on the go. Okay, that's coming together nicely. Just going to drop in a bit of bay leaf, and then here I've got a kind of garam masala, whole garam masala mixture. So there's cinnamon in there, black pepper, cumin seeds, green cardamom, peppercorns, allspice. I'll leave a list below. In that all goes, as does 1 cup of onion. Now you can buy that stuff, that garam masala, in a bag already mixed. You know, you can get it. But yeah, I'll leave some details below. Okay, we're going to keep going for about another 5 or 6 minutes. Fabulous. Next up, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste. And salt. And we're going to go for about another 4 minutes now. Keep it moving. Really fabulous. Okay, some tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. I've got like 3 regular size tomatoes there. Try and use a nice ripe juicy tomatoes and some powders. We're going to go 3 teaspoons chili. I'm using Kashmiri chili, 2 of turmeric, 2 of cumin, and 2 of coriander. In that goes. We're now going to remain on this heat, stirring all the time. We're going to go for about another 5 to 6 minutes. We want those tomatoes to break down. As you can see, those tomatoes are breaking down beautifully. We're now going to add some fresh chili. The amount's up to you. I'm going like that, and I've roughly cut them. You can cut them small if you want. We're going to add some water. Now what we're going to do, we're going to get the heat down, not to a simmer, but just above a simmer. I'm going to get a lid on that, and I'm going to let that go for about 25 to 30 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. We want that lamb or mutton to be super tender. Okay, let's jump in, take a look. That is looking really beautiful. Now I'm going to turn the heat up high with the lid off. Let it go now for about 5 or 6 minutes, stirring all the time. Just want it to kind of reduce down just a little bit, but that's beautiful. Check that for salt as well. Okay, you can see that we've really dried that out somewhat, but still got a lovely moist masala on it. Absolutely beautiful. Off goes the heat, cilantro or coriander. In that goes. 1 more mix, job done, beautiful. And there you go. That is just really lovely. Super tender mutton or lamb. Lovely with some rice. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. we're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.